In this video, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is how to crack UGC NTA NET within your first attempt. Hello friends, once again welcome to Diksha Classroom. So in this video, I am going to discuss how to crack this exam in your first attempt itself. I will be discussing this aspect with 5 points. So the first and important point, or the first and important aspect that you should take care so as to qualify UGC and TNET within the first attempt is to start early. You have to start your preparation early, which means if possible you have to start it within the final year of your graduation. I hope you will be knowing that you can write NTA NET exam just after joining your PG. It's not compulsory that you should reach in PG second year or the final semester, or you have to qualify the post graduation. UGC rule is simple. It says that you should complete your PG within 2 years from the date of declaration of the results. For example, if 2019 December exam result comes on 2019 December 30, as per UGC rule, if your post graduation completes within 2021 December 30, your NET is valid. So it's very simple. You can start attending NTA NET from the first sem of your post graduation. And you can also qualify NET along with JRF within your first or second sem. If you ask me which is the best time to qualify UGC and TNET, I will say it's within the second or third sem of your post graduation. The second point that I have to say is be specific. Do smart work, not hard work. That's what I mean by be specific. Read only those books, those articles, or those websites which will be useful for you, which will help you for cracking your NTA NET exam. Because if you look at the syllabus of UGC NTA NET, it seems to be very vast, especially the general paper or paper 1, because you have 10 topics like teaching aptitude, environment, higher education, ICT, etc. Most of this topic, if you search randomly in the Google, you can see many topics or many articles, many books, many PDFs, many PPTs, etc. But the issue is that if you got to, or with motivation, if you decide to read all the material, or if you decide to watch all the YouTube videos discussing about UGC and TNET, you are not going to qualify. Because you should be specific. Specific means you should be at the point. You should study only those things which are required for NTA-NET. For NTA-NET, it's not important that you should be an expert on environment. Until and unless you are writing NTA NET exam on environmental science also. When I say be specific, you will be having a confusion regarding how to be specific. It's simple how to be specific, master the syllabus. You have to master the syllabus. You have to master both paper 1 syllabus and paper 2 syllabus. Paper 1 will be the general paper, and paper 2 will be the paper that's related with your graduation or post graduation subject. So master the syllabus within your graduation itself. Okay, try to read syllabus multiple times. There are 125 plus topic in the paper 1, and also depending upon the paper 2, the number of topics will be different. 125 plus, I mean subtopics or small topics. Totally there are 10 major topics. Okay, so master the syllabus. Try to read the syllabus multiple times. If you want to get the syllabus, you can just type it in the Google, or you can visit our website www.dikshaclassroom.com, in which you can get the syllabus of almost all the topics of UGC and TNET. Diksha have already released video discussing the different aspects of paper 1 syllabus. In the upcoming videos, we'll be also discussing the syllabus of all the 10 individual topics in detail. The fourth important point is knowing your weak areas. For cracking any competitive examination, it's very important to know your weak areas and work on those. If you are able to work on it at the earliest, the better the result will be. So you'll be having a confusion how to know your weak areas because you are just starting with the syllabus itself. It's simple. Try to attend at least 2 or 3 previous question papers of NTA NET. It will be better if you can attend both paper 1 as well as paper 2. Previous question papers of NTA NET paper 1 is available for free from our Diksha website. After attempting the test, go through the result. Give priority for those questions which you have made wrong. During the preparation stage of any exam, what is important is to give priority to answers you have marked wrong. Okay, but in the final exam, you have to give priority for answers which are correct. So make sure you know your weak areas, and now you have to work on those weak areas. We'll be discussing in different videos how to master data interpretation, how to master mathematical reasoning, how to master environment, etc. All the 10 topics will be discussed in the upcoming videos in Diksha Classroom YouTube channel. So the final point we have to say regarding how to crack UGC NTA NET within the first attempt is to decide upon your timeline. You have to fix a date, okay, an approximate date when you are going to give the exam, when you are going to qualify the exam. What's your plan? Definitely, there may be some unexpected results. We can work on that after the results are out. But for the time being, there is no need of thinking about the results. Have a fixed timeline. When you are going to write the exam, when you are going to qualify JRF, okay, when you are going to join for your PhD, an approximate timeline will be also important. So these are the 5 points we have to say regarding how to crack UGC NTA NET within the first attempt. I will be rewinding the 5 points once again. Firstly, we have said start your preparation early. Second point is being specific. Third point is mastering the syllabus. Fourth point is knowing your weak areas. And the final point is fixing or deciding upon your timeline. So that's all, my friends, regarding this video. We'll be discussing more topics related to NTA NET exam in the upcoming videos. Thank you.